If you've ever struggled with a manual jack on the side of the road, you know that tire changes have gotten so much easier thanks to technology. Gone are the days of wrestling with rusty tools and risking your back. Today we're looking at 7 game-changing electric hydraulic car jacks that do all the heavy lifting for you, and here's the best part. Each one comes with a built-in air compressor and impact wrench, giving you everything you need to change a tire in minutes, not hours. We're talking push-button convenience that turns a roadside nightmare into a 5-minute job. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive in. Starting with the Vivore electric car jack, this delivers incredible value in the budget tier with its complete 3-in-1 setup. You plug it into your 12-volt outlet, and that 13-foot power cord is noticeably longer than most competitors, which really helps when you're working around different corners of your vehicle. The jack lifts from 6 to 17 inches in about 2 minutes, and there's even an LED light for nighttime emergencies. The included impact wrench delivers 450 Newton-meters of torque for removing and installing your wheels, while the air compressor pumps up to 150 psi to get you back on the road. For anyone watching their budget but wanting professional features, this represents outstanding value. It's particularly great for keeping in your trunk as emergency backup since you're getting reliable performance when you need it most without a major investment. The E-hilt electric car jack brings something really valuable to the table with extensive real-world testing and user feedback. This connects to your 12-volt outlet and matches the 6 to 17-inch lifting range, but pushes the impact wrench to 480 Newton-meters, which is the highest torque among wired models. The air compressor delivers 350 kilopascals, and the whole system lifts your vehicle in under 2 minutes. What really shines here is the customer service, with the company responding quickly to help with any issues that come up. The proven track record gives you confidence that what you're buying has been thoroughly tested in real garages and real roadside situations. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want proven performance, backed by responsive support and strong community feedback. The ABN 3-in-1 electric car jack offers something interesting in the mid-range. This one is rated for 3 tons instead of 5, which translates to 6,000 pounds of capacity. Now, before you think that's a limitation, consider that most sedans, compact cars, and many crossovers fall comfortably within this range. The 340 Newton-meter impact wrench handles standard passenger car lug nuts effectively, and you get the complete package: 12-volt connection, air compressor, and 6 to 17-inch range. ABN markets itself as a family-owned American company, which resonates with buyers who prefer supporting domestic brands. If you drive a smaller vehicle and appreciate that American connection, this delivers exactly what you need without paying for capacity you won't use. It's an honest, straightforward tool for the vehicles it's designed to handle. The TaskStar electric car jack is another solid mid-range option that gives you the full 5-ton capacity with all 3 functions. It connects to your 12-volt outlet, and the jack provides 6 to 17 inches of travel. The included impact wrench delivers 450 Newton-meters of torque for wheel removal, while the air compressor completes the package. You also get a nice 12-foot power cord and a carrying case with thoughtful features like waterproof design and an integrated warning triangle. One thing to be aware of is that the jack lifts a bit slower than some competitors, so you'll want to factor that in if speed is your priority. Some users recommend testing it thoroughly when it arrives and keeping an eye on the hydraulic seals just to ensure everything stays tight. For buyers looking for solid features at an accessible price point, this offers good value, especially for occasional use. Moving to the stand-tall electric car jack, this 5-ton kit brings a unique remote control feature that's genuinely convenient. Instead of crouching next to your vehicle, you can operate it from a comfortable distance, which is particularly appreciated by older users or anyone with mobility considerations. It plugs into your 12-volt outlet, and the jack lifts from 5.9 to 17 inches. The included impact wrench delivers 350 Newton-meters of torque for efficient wheel removal, and the air compressor completes your tire-changing toolkit. The waterproof design has proven itself in real-world conditions, with owners successfully changing tires in rain and challenging weather. Customer service gets consistent praise for being responsive and helpful. One helpful tip from experienced users: pay attention to the threading extension and consider marking it as a visual reference point, then always use jack stands as backup support, which is good practice with any jack. For those who value ease of operation and remote convenience, especially for emergency roadside situations, this offers thoughtful features at a fair price. Here's where the Rog's electric car jack really distinguishes itself. While most jacks top out at 17 inches, this one reaches 20.9 inches, giving you substantially more working height that's perfect for lifted trucks, SUVs with larger aftermarket wheels, or any vehicle needing extra clearance. This 5-ton powerhouse also impresses with speed, reaching maximum height in just 60 seconds, which is genuinely helpful when you're working in traffic or bad weather. It connects to your 12-volt system, delivers 350 Newton-meters of impact torque, includes the air compressor, and weighs only 10.3 pounds, making it the most portable complete kit here. The carrying case even doubles as a reflective emergency triangle for roadside safety. Real-world testing shows it handles 3/4-ton trucks and 22-inch wheels smoothly. One tip from users: direct battery connection with clamps works more reliably than the cigarette lighter adapter, giving you consistent power. This is the performance leader for anyone needing maximum height and speed. Finally, the E-hilt cordless electric car jack takes a completely different approach as the only battery-powered option. Instead of plugging into your 12-volt outlet, this runs on dual rechargeable lithium-ion batteries with a modern touchscreen LCD interface. It delivers 5-ton capacity, lifts from 6 to 20.8 inches, matching the Rox's impressive height range, and provides 480 Newton-meters of impact torque. Those interchangeable batteries power both the jack and impact wrench independently, giving you total freedom from cables. This opens up scenarios that wired jacks simply can't handle, like servicing RV trailers parked away from vehicles, working when your car battery is completely dead, or just enjoying the convenience of no wires to manage. Now, this model focuses on the lifting and wheel removal functions, so you'll want to have a separate tire inflator handy, which many people already carry anyway. The touchscreen feels premium and works even with gloves. This is definitely a premium investment, but for RV owners, frequent travelers, or anyone who values the ultimate in cordless convenience and modern features, it represents the cutting edge of where this technology is heading. So let's find your perfect jack. Budget-conscious buyers love the Vivore for its all-in-one design and long power cord. Road travelers and emergency users go for the Rox thanks to its 60-second lift and impressive height. DIY enthusiasts appreciate the wired E-hilt for its strong torque and proven track record, while the cordless E-hilt suits RV owners who prefer battery power and cable-free operation. Sedan drivers get solid value from the ABN's honest 3-ton rating, the TaskStar works great for occasional use, and the Stand Tall's remote control makes lifting effortless. Quick tip: always loosen lug nuts first with a breaker bar and use jack stands for safety. These tools genuinely transform tire changes from tough jobs into quick, manageable tasks. All the links are in the description. Subscribe if this helped you find your perfect match, and here's to stress-free tire changes ahead.